Hi everyone, it's Dr. Nye, and we are covering material from our final lab, the female reproductive tract. So we're simply going to go down our list of terms, and we have first the mons pubis. So it is quite literally a mound of fat, right, sitting in front of the pubic symphysis. And obviously there is adipose tissue. This develops during puberty in the female. And then we're going to look at two additional terms, the labia majora, which are the thicker outermost folds or lips, labia, and these have hair on them and really on the lateral aspects of the labia majora. Then we look at the inner folds. Okay, so those are identified as the labia minora. Okay, so these are the labia minora. And once again, if we're identifying certain aspects of the handout, you see that right here that this would be the hood or prepuce, which covers the clitoris, okay? So again, where would the clitoris be? You see the tip or the glands of the clitoris right here. And we have other specimens to look at this in more detail, but this is the clitoris, the prepuce or the hood. And again, if we look deeper into the vestibule, okay, so remember the vestibule is a space between the inner lips. And you can readily identify the vaginal opening or the orifice, okay? And then if we move anterior to that, you see the opening of the urethra. So again, the urethra. And then surrounding the urethra, we have paraurethral glands. So really the glands themselves lie deeper in this tissue, and they happen to be in the anterior wall of the vagina. Okay, so again, you see the opening of these paraurethral glands or Skene's glands. So they would be at the anterior aspect of the vaginal orifice, and at the posterior aspect of the vaginal orifice, there are openings from the Bartholin's glands, which are also identified as greater vestibular glands, okay? So again, they're